Hello, hi, I'm Tabeka from Yizocom. Casper Nyovest rumors about stealing song of Mpura, titled Angisho Guys. Mpura said he released his version of the song in March. Then month later, Casper released his too. Others said Casper stole the song because Mpura released it first. Some said song belonged to Casper. Mpura is the one who stole it. Lady DU, who is featured artist of Casper, she said, this song belonged to Casper. She not said that because she on Casper's side, but she want to stand for what is right. Lady DU is a good friend of Mpura, and she said, I don't mind losing him as a friend just because I stood up for Casper when the whole timeline turned their back to Casper. And she took her Instagram and posted, I will never ever choose loyalty over honesty. I can't stand lies. If I lose friend over honesty, that's fine. Lies need 10 other stories, and I don't have that time mina. Aniyekeni ukubhulisha ama-fans wenu. Stop it. Hashtag Angisho Guys. Hashtag Catalia. The big question is, why Mpura keep quiet for the death claim until he release his song? If you have any answer or any comment, write down below. I thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and press notification button to be the first to see whenever I upload it.